Walk through any tech launch event in 2026, and you'll hear the same promise repeated over and over. Smarter devices, AI-powered assistants, context-aware everything. Your phone anticipates your needs. Your laptop rewrites your emails. Your earbuds translate languages in real time. Your home devices automate decisions before you even ask. AI devices are everywhere. But here's the uncomfortable question few companies want to confront directly. Are AI devices actually solving meaningful problems, or are they just creating new ones? At first glance, the benefits are obvious. AI-powered cameras produce better photos without manual editing. Real-time transcription makes meetings easier to review. Predictive typing speeds up communication. Smart assistants help organize tasks, summarize documents, and draft content. In many cases, these features genuinely reduce friction. On device AI also improves privacy by processing data locally instead of sending everything to the cloud. Translation tools make cross-border communication smoother. Accessibility features powered by AI are helping users with visual or hearing impairments interact more easily with technology. These are real improvements. But alongside these gains, new layers of complexity are emerging. The first issue is dependency. As devices become more predictive and automated, users may rely on them to think ahead, summarize information, or make recommendations. Over time, that can subtly reduce active decision-making. When your device prioritizes notifications, drafts responses, or suggests actions automatically, you may gain speed, but lose some intentionality. The second issue is cognitive overload. AI devices often add features faster than users can meaningfully absorb them. New assistants, new shortcuts, new predictive tools, all layered onto existing interfaces. Instead of simplifying technology, this can sometimes make devices feel more complicated. Users may struggle to distinguish between manual control and automated suggestion. When does the device act on your behalf? When are you in control? Another emerging problem is battery and performance strain. AI processing, especially on-device inference, consumes power. Even as chips become more efficient, additional AI features add workload. Consumers want smarter devices, but they also want all-day battery life. If AI features drain resources or generate excess heat, the user experience suffers. Privacy introduces another layer of tension. While on-device AI enhances data security compared to cloud-only models, it also means devices are constantly analyzing personal behavior, messages, browsing patterns, usage habits. Even if data remains local, the perception of constant monitoring can create discomfort. Trust becomes essential. There's also the question of necessity. Some AI features clearly address real problems. Noise cancellation during calls, accessibility tools, language translation, automated emoji suggestions, AI-generated wallpapers, predictive content feeds that amplify distraction rather than productivity. Not every application of AI represents meaningful progress. In some cases, AI devices solve edge case inconveniences while introducing subtle friction elsewhere. Another issue is software dependency cycles. AI features often require ongoing updates and compatibility layers. This can shorten device lifespans or push users toward upgrades more frequently to access new capabilities. If AI integration accelerates hardware turnover, it raises sustainability concerns. There's also the broader societal effect. As AI devices become more proactive, they shape information consumption patterns. Smart notifications decide what deserves your attention. AI-curated feeds influence what you see first. Predictive suggestions guide behavior. The line between assistance and influence becomes thinner. Are devices empowering users or steering them? From a business perspective, AI devices represent a new growth lever in a mature hardware market. Smartphones, laptops, and wearables have plateaued in dramatic hardware innovation. AI integration offers a new reason to upgrade. But the question remains whether these additions fundamentally improve daily life, or simply repackage existing functionality under a smarter label. There is also the issue of reliability. AI systems are probabilistic. They generate outputs based on patterns, not guarantees. When embedded into devices people rely on daily, mistakes become more visible. Incorrect summaries, misinterpreted commands, faulty predictive suggestions, even small inaccuracies can erode confidence. At the same time, it's important not to dismiss genuine value. AI-powered accessibility tools are expanding digital inclusion. Real-time translation can reduce language barriers in global business. Smart energy management systems inside devices improve efficiency. On-device AI security features can detect phishing attempts and fraud faster than traditional methods. These are meaningful advancements. The tension lies in proportionality. Are AI devices focused on high-impact improvements, or are they adding intelligence for the sake of novelty? The answer varies by product category and use case. In productivity environments, AI assistants may significantly enhance workflow efficiency. In entertainment-focused contexts, it may amplify distraction. In communication, it may streamline interaction or dilute authenticity. Because we are transitioning from AI as a tool, you access to AI as an embedded layer shaping nearly every interaction with your device. The success of AI devices will not be determined solely by processing power or feature count. It will be determined by trust, reliability, efficiency, and whether they genuinely reduce friction without introducing new forms of dependency or distraction. Are AI devices solving problems? In many cases, yes. Are they creating new ones? Also, yes. Like every major technological shift, the outcome depends on design philosophy and user intent. If AI is used to enhance clarity, efficiency, and accessibility, it can quietly improve everyday life. If it is layered indiscriminately onto every interaction, it risks overwhelming users and complicating simple tasks. The next few years will determine whether AI devices become indispensable partners or over-engineered gadgets chasing incremental novelty. The technology is powerful. The question is whether it is being applied with discipline. Because smarter doesn't always mean better, and intelligence, when embedded everywhere, must prove that it truly earns its place.